What is the process to transfer money from my Apple ID to my bank account?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of transferring money from your Apple ID to your bank account. If you've ever wondered how to do this, you're in the right place. Let's get started, and remember, we'll highlight the crucial steps for clarity.
Why would you have money on your Apple ID?
Before diving into the process, it's essential to understand why you might have money on your Apple ID in the first place. When you receive an Apple ID balance from gifts or you add funds using your own money, this balance can be used for Apple services like the App Store or iCloud storage. If you want this money in your bank account instead, there's a way to do that.
Prerequisites.
1. Apple device. You will need an iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch with the latest iOS. 2. Apple ID. Make sure you're signed in with the Apple ID that has the balance you want to transfer. 3. Bank account. Ensure you have a valid bank account linked to your Apple ID.
Steps to transfer money.
1. Open Settings. On your Apple device, tap on the Settings app. 2. View your name. At the top, you'll see your name. Tap on it to view your Apple ID details. 3. Navigate to Payments and Shipping. Here, you'll find various payment-related options. Select Payments and Shipping. 4. Transfer to Bank. Once you're in the Payments and Shipping section, you'll see an option labeled Transfer to Bank. Tap on it. 5. Enter amount. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Make sure it's less than or equal to your Apple ID balance. 6. Follow prompts. Complete the transfer by following the on-screen instructions. This will include confirming your bank details.
Points to remember.
Transfers can take 1 to 3 business days to appear in your bank account. There might be a minimum transfer amount, so make sure to check Apple's specific terms. Always ensure your device's software is updated for the smoothest experience. And that's how you transfer money from your Apple ID to your bank account. We hope this guide was straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out or refer to Apple's official documentation. Until next time, take care and happy transferring.